Straight up, if this don't change your mind about the ancient Egyptians, there's no hope for you. This large granite box, carved by the Egyptians, is on display at the Cairo Museum, which, by the way, granite is harder than steel, and we typically use diamond-tipped electric buzz saws to cut through it these days. So this box was abandoned by the Egyptians due to this mistake in the cut. Now, hold up. I want you to think about this for a second. Modern explanations claim the methods ancient Egyptians used to cut granite involved painfully slow and repetitive sawing techniques using copper tools. Don't you think they would have noticed a mistake like this way sooner if they were actually using those snail pace techniques? Cut like this would have taken several hours, if not days of work, and there's no way they would have done it for that long without noticing this error. They were way smarter than that. Like, seriously, the top Egyptologists claim this is how they cut granite back then, a rate of 4 millimeters per hour, and they're still standing by it. Clearly the people cutting this block would have booked this mistake much earlier in the process, and they'd have no reason to continue sawing the granite for hours, or even days longer, as soon as they saw this inaccuracy, unless they were using some other unknown cutting technique, one that is far quicker than our history books suggest, and possibly far more advanced than even our diamond-tipped buzzards. Hey yo, I gotta go. I've said too much. Subscribe for more unknown facts.